Morning guys, I'm out here in Tibooburra in what they call the Granite Tours area. Just going for a walk up here to have a look at it all. If you see, they're up there. This is the trail. Okay guys, looks like we're back. 4 kilometre loop. Back at the campground, down there. I'm just parked down there. Then we'll go back to Broken Hill. Gold mining at Tibooburra. Very, very old stuff. Looks like a sluice bucket here. They probably sluiced the stuff out of the creek. Muller heap. Old cart. Some more relics. Looks like a metal lined cart. Probably for moving rubble or ore. What's left of the cart by the look of it. House over here. Very desolate area. Over here, there's more stuff. We'll go and look. Obviously we have a shaft here with a windlass. Who knows how far down it goes. Something that looks like a giant tyre. Maybe a wheel for something. Might be all part of this here. Sort of a bucket thing here. They say it's a stamping battery. Of course, you've got to do that with gold. You'll smash the stuff up. And up here, looks like we have another burrow in the ground. What I can see is different type of wingless, another hole in the ground. That could be a long way down. There's the wheel they use the rope over. Okay guys, that's just a little snippet of mining here at Tibooburra. Another nice day after some rain last night. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to hit the bell, subscribe, all that. Okay, see you later.